Anybody following my channel knows that I've been working on this old pickup truck. I've just been kind of cleaning it up and doing a very budget restoration. I just wanted to make this truck look a little better and a little more presentable. One of the things it needs is a grill upgrade. Now, one thing I didn't do when I painted this truck is I didn't tape off the grill, and that was because I knew I was going to replace it. This grill has multitudes of JB weld in multiple places and it's cracked. It actually looks worse than what it is. So I thought I would replace it. Now for a replacement, I have just chosen a very inexpensive black aftermarket grill. This one does have places for some fog lights, although on a truck they sit so high this would be the wrong place for the fog lights. Now my truck is a service truck and I'm going to tie my wigwag into those lights. So to me, they serve a purpose and the grill I think looks pretty good, at least for this particular truck. Replacing the grills on these trucks is extremely easy. There really isn't much to it. There is 4 screws on the top and there are 4 clips down here on the bottom. Once you release those, the grill comes right off. Releasing these clips is pretty simple. Just take a screwdriver and pry up on the clip itself. Then you can reach in there and grab it and pull straight back, and that clip is released. Once the 4 screws on the top are removed and the 4 clips on the bottom are released, you can just pull straight back on the grill, and that is all there is to removing one. Now this particular grill did not come with new clips, so I am going to reuse the old ones. The fog lights that came with this particular grill are not LED lights, and because I'm going to be using this with my wigwag system, I will be replacing them with LED, mainly to keep the amp load down on that system. I will list all of the parts and pieces that I have used in this video down below in case you're interested. I have the new bulbs installed and I have put all of the wiring in place. There are these little tabs along the way that I have really no idea what they're for. I drilled little holes in them and zip tied the wiring harness to it. And I'm going to come out this corner with the wire, so I have everything kind of fastened up and tied together right here with a little pigtail that I'm going to work with later. Installing the grill could not get any simpler. I started by just loosely starting these 4 screws in the top, and then with the old clips already installed on the grill, all you got to do is just shove them in place. And everything lined up perfectly. I really like the way this looks. I think when I put the new headlights in place, it's going to look great. In the next video, we're going to be installing some aftermarket headlights. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and at the very least, you might be entertained.